Baby bear, where is your mama?
I found them right outside my cabin. It's freezing. Please send someone immediately. They look half frozen.
Hello, this is the rescue team. How can we assist you today?
Team, we have one mission, devise. Prepare yourselves and follow instructions carefully.
Harnesses secure, radios checked. We deploy in 3 minutes. Let's move.
Ready, sir.
Is the gear secure?
Yeah, let's go. We're losing light.
All right, everyone, let's load up.
Descent in 30 seconds. Keep an eye on that ridge. Affirmative.
All right, team, let's go. Time is critical. Alpha team, secure the perimeter. Bravo team, with me.
They are trapped just beyond that ridge. We have to move quickly. The mother bear is injured.
Understood. We will secure the perimeter and extract the cubs now.
The baby bear's mother is trapped in a dangerous valley. You must go help her immediately.
Visibility is near zero, but I'm relying on instruments now.
Confirmed. We are approaching the target zone.
I've never seen anything like this. Breathing is shallow.
Doesn't matter, we treat her the same way. Get the warming pads ready.
Monitor her breathing closely.
Keep her temperature stable.
Make sure her paws are secured gently.
Keep her comfortable and calm while we prepare for transport.
Cover the cactus areas evenly with the solution. Ensure she remains calm and warm while applying it.
Apply the solution evenly. Watch her reactions. Cover her back and sides evenly. Keep her comfortable while we apply the foam.
Make sure the foam reaches all areas of her body.
Keep her warm and comfortable while we do this.
Brush slowly. Make sure all areas are clean.
Keep her relaxed while we remove the foam.
Cover her fully. Make sure she stays calm. The foam.
Rinse gently. Make sure all foam is removed. Keep her relaxed while cleaning her completely.
Prepare the equipment for any treatment she may need.
Keep the baby bear warm and safe.
Ensure the baby bear stays warm nearby.
Her skin is perfect, fully recovered.
Vitals are stable. Everything looks great.
Keep the baby bear close and warm.
This story teaches us the importance of compassion and caring for those in need. Even the smallest and quietest creatures, like a distressed mama bear, deserve help and protection. Courage can come in many forms, whether from a tiny cat or a dedicated rescue team. By stepping in to help the struggling mama bear, the rescue team showed that working together allows us to overcome challenges that seem impossible alone. Observing suffering silently reminds us to be attentive and empathetic. Acts of kindness, no matter how small, can have a profound impact. Love and patience can heal both physical and emotional wounds. Ultimately, helping others strengthens the bond between all living beings and spreads hope in the world.